It's 1 o'clock, and I think I have time today to start some scaffolding. Now I've got some little drawings here. In the bottom row, I want to look like this, because I want a space under so it can, go over objects. But I want to be able to put another layer of scaffolding on top of this that's either like this or like this. 6 foot pipe, 6 foot pipe, 6 foot pipe, 6 foot pipe. And those will all be the same thickness, maybe 1.5 inch. And then these I'll make 1 1/4. Okay, let's see, which pipes do we want? 2 inch, I don't need that thick. 1.5. Why don't I have a pipe cutter? I used to have a pipe cutter. Whoa, now that is a thing. You know what? I don't think I need these diagonals here. It's feeling mighty sturdy. Oh, good stuff. Okay, I got 2 of them now. Now to connect them. Okay, that will go through the entire pipe and through a couple flattened pieces and still have room for a nut. Where's my big hammer? Whoa, nice! Oh. Guess I need some boards for this thing. I don't want these things sliding off when I'm standing on them. So let's put a screw at each end. Get up on this thing. I think I can climb up from the outside. It won't tip over. Good. Well, that makes it easy. Whoa, nice. Oh, so sturdy. I think that one's done.
Yeah, it's done.
Except we have to put the bolt holes in the ends.
Oh, yeah.
All right, see these holes?
Yeah.
All right, all done. Now, how do I put it on top of that one? You know what? This'll do for now. They're a little bit loose. Here's my nuts. kids think this is a tank. They got sniper rifles up here. Holy crap, it's high. It's supposed to be high. I'm not sure if these are gonna fit. Huh, that's nice. Wasn't sure if these would fit while it was connected to the bottom. That means I kept them pretty much the same size. Good. Blah, blah, blah. Feels nice and sturdy. Oh, wow, that's high up there. All right. Jeez, ooh, that makes me a little nervous. It's good though. Alright, nuts are on good. I don't have a particularly strong fear of heights, but it definitely does make me nervous. Wow, this is all the way up to the 3rd floor. Nice. You know, I was thinking I would have to connect the top section to the bottom section, but I don't know if I need to. I mean, I probably will just in case, for extra safety, you know, rivet that pipe in here and put a bolt through here. And I want to make that fit a little more snug. Other than that, this is looking excellent. I would say totally usable as is. Oh, they came out amazingly good. That is so good. Stainless steel, man, my grandkids will have scaffolding. My great-grandkids will have scaffolding. Oh, this is hanging on here because my daughter repaired it, was testing it. She did an amazing job. It works perfectly. Anyway, we are up at the top. There's the second floor below us, and the first floor all the way down there. And this is not attached to anything, although it does give me a tiny bit of comfort being next to this post, even though I'm not connected to it. And this is the third floor up here. I need to take all this out, so I guess the scaffolding will actually help with that. That's nice. I gotta get rid of that. That was my scaffolding for building the roof. That's all gonna come apart. Probably be firewood. It's not very good wood. Oh, there's a nice view right down to the bottom. Oh, do not fall down there, Jaimie. Oh, this came out so nice. Just ignore my mess. Ignore my mess. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Oh, I got some really nice boards over here that I'm going to use to build tables. I want to build all my kids their own work tables. Well, I might just build 2 of them for 4 kids, and then 2 kids can share one. I'll just make them pretty big tables. Because, like all this stuff in the middle is going to be gone. That all goes up here. These 2 giant beams down there. Those come up and replace these long ones. And this whole, everything down here is getting cleared out. And then we're probably going to move into the guest house. So that the whole bottom floor down here is going to be empty. So I think I'm going to set up 2 big tables, with big vices on them and a lower part to put junk. And then 2 kids can share a table and they can stop making a mess. This is me and 4 kids all trying to use this table at the same time. If I clean it up, within minutes, someone's like, oh, the table's empty. I can go start workshopping. All right, anyway, I would call this excellent. This is so good. I guess this is my Christmas present to myself. And my kids are not here right now. They've played with the first section. I am going to have to make sure they are careful with this side. They cannot come up to the top, because if you get on the top, there's no railing. 4 o'clock. I think I have just enough time to slap this video together and poop it on the internet today.